Hi my beautiful people, in this video I'm going to show you all the settings and possibilities of the Cinema Pro app. Let's go! Hi, my name is Isabella, I am Miss Mobile Tech, and on this channel I'm showing you basically everything about mobile tech. In this video I'm showing you basically all the settings of the Cinema Pro app of the Sony Xperia 5 Mark II. Let's go! If we're then opening the Cinema Pro app, the first thing you will see when you open it is all the settings put together. You have on the top right corner your project name and also the menu tab to open a project, to look at your library, to put a stabilizer on, the metered manual on or off, frame lines, put them on or off, and also where you would like them considering what kind of movie you will be making. Grid lines on or off, and a level on or off. That means here underneath, if you turn it on, you can see if your phone is completely straight or not. If we then go back to the menu, here you have the volume on this side of the screen and you have all files underneath. Next to that, you have the meter of how long your project is right now. Then you have the type, the codec, the battery level, and the memory that is free. If we then take a look at all the other options here on the screen, when you start out with a new project, you go to resolution. You can change it to from 4K to 2K. Or back. You can turn your project FPS to 2398 all the way up to 5994. You can change the look. Right now there is none, but you can have all these types. So soft monochrome, soft, cool, strong, warm, bright, opaque, and Venice. And on top you had the project FPS, and here you can change the FPS of this single shot, which can be either what you chose up front or 120/24. Here's also a quick toggle between the lenses, so the wide angle lens, the normal lens, and the telephoto lens, which is way too close right now. If we then go to the ISO, the ISO can go up to 800 here and down all the way to 64. So it really depends on what you're going for. We have the white balance, and the white balance you can custom. You can put it on auto, tungsten. There are a lot of different options in the menu that you can try out. And of course, you can also make your own. The shutter speed can go from 1.4 all the way here we go. Going to see something now. All the way up to 360. There we go. And focus, you can put it on manual or you can do autofocus, manual focus, and you can change a lot also here. Focus settings. Okay. You can also grab a photo whenever you're shooting a video, and that will turn up on the bottom left corner here. And that is about it. That's all the possibilities there are. And when you press record, you will zoom in a little bit. You'll see the time walking here. You'll see basically the memory there still is, and also which clip it is. Shutter speed, basically all your settings are underneath the screen, and the sound of course. And you can flag it. The display, you can turn the grid lines on and off during filming. And that is about it. Here is the project. This little thing, you can trim it, but you won't be in the Cinema Pro app anymore. So that is basically everything there is to know about the Cinema Pro app on the Sony Xperia 5 Mark II. Thank you very much for watching this video. It means a lot to me. I hope you liked it. If you did, a like would be amazing, a sub would be even better. And I really hope to see you in the next one. So have a very nice day and stay safe. Bye.